Alright guys, for today's vlog, this is the first time to make a vlog guys. And ang nangyari po sa amin, yung aming air gap clearance maximum na, sobra sa maximum, kaya kailangan namin i-readjust. So readjustment is only done for one time only, one time readjustment. After that, kailangan natin mag-change ng line. Okay, so according to his instruction, so yan o guys, loosen the cap nuts 8 and remove the cap 11 and clean it inside. So ito na yung ginagawa ngayon ni Motorman Kim, aming pang malakasang motorman.
Ito po ngayon guys.
Alright, subang namin kasi guys ngayon, kaya kailangan namin mag-ganitong forma na naka-jacket and select.
Gagawang t-shirt.
So ito yung model ng aming mooring windlass. Yan, Stromag and 4BZ FM. Yan o, spring. Yan. Yan, wear readjustment. Yan yung aming ginagawa ngayon. Yan. Next is screw and hexagon socket for emergency release up to stop, up to limit stop. Okay. Terus hexagon nuts, 15 uniform nuts. Okay, so yan ang ginagawa ngayon ni Master Kim. Basic lang to guys, basic lang to ng aming ginagawa ngayon. Akala namin noon na mahirap, pero nung binasa namin yung manual, basic lang pala. Pero sa YouTube kasi wala tutorial doon, kaya gawin namin ito para at least alam nyo din. Si Master Kim na bahala dyan.
Ito ngayon guys.
Tatlo na naiwan guys. Sobrang basic lang ito guys kung gagawin. Doon sa YouTube wala akong makita ang tutorial na ganito kasi titignan namin kanya, hindi namin alam magawin. Sa manual, pero basic lang pala. Yan. Yan, tatanggalin nilik yung brake disc. Oh, ito lagi, pugin mo talaga, pugin yan. Pwede na.
That's guys.
Yan.
Nakilal guys, hindi balance.
Block balance. Ingat lang Kim, baka mabasag na basag yan. Yun, yan lang guys. Oh, yung kabila naman yung magamit niya at masagi. Yan. So, yung babalik ka rin lang yan for adjustment. Only one time readjustment. After nyan, kailangan natin ng brake. Okay. Dali.
Nadali yan nila guys.
So hopefully guys, no, ito na ginakuha yung ating brake, air gap clear natin dito yan. So hopefully after nito, yung ating air gap clearance is babalik dun sa normal niya na limit, which is dito sa amin is 0.4 to 1.8 mm. 1.8 mm. Ano po, maingay naman yung mga
Aeroplano guys.
Lalak. Sige ya. Ayaw niya mag-walk ya. Yan. Yun. After yan, vlog ko namin. watching.